Hey everybody! Today I want to talk to you about an app called Notai Scribe. What is Notai Scribe, you ask? Notai Scribe is a full-service note-taking app that has cloud storage functionality so that you will be able to move your files between devices with fair amounts of ease just through the Notai Scribe app. Currently, it is only available for iOS devices running iOS 13 or higher. However, it is available for both iPads and iPhones. So, let's go ahead and dive into a quick tutorial. First things first, we need to go ahead and register for an account. So, to do that, we just click the register button, and then we will go ahead and start entering our info. So, we'll enter our first name, and then our email, and let's just make up an email, test@tutorial.com, and then we'll enter a password. Password has been entered, and it was put in the confirm password box as well, and it is recommended that you use a real email as it is good to have so that you'd be able to reset your password if you forget it. So let's go ahead and hit that register button, and it takes us to the main menu of the app. So we see a few options here. We see Go Live, Text Editor, Subscription, Files, Recording, and Logout. So first things first, let's look at that subscription. So subscription page will be used for eventually having paid subscriptions within the app. Currently, we have the student, personal, and professional options for accounts, and you would just enter all your information and hit submit. Unfortunately, this is necessary just due to the fact that cloud storage costs money. So let's go ahead and back to the main menu. So let's hit that Go Live button. So what this Go Live feature is live audio transcription. What that means is it's going to transcribe everything that you say or everything that the microphone hears into text. So let's test that out. Let's hit that start transcribing button. So this text should appear on the screen just like this. Let's go ahead and stop that transcription. So now that we've got that, well, we need a way to save it. So we want to hit this save button up top, and we'll just type in a file name, and we'll just call it demo. Go ahead and hit save. And you do see this other little button up here. It's just a share button. Works the same as every other share button within the Apple field. You can text it, send it via email, save it to your iCloud storage, anything like that. So let's go back to the main menu now. So let's see if we can find that file in the Files app. So, yep, here's that demo. So, just what it was in the other screen. It has everything that I said. And the cool part about this app is that it is a rich text editor, meaning that you'll be able to do things like highlight, underline, bold, and italicize. So just to demo some of those features, let's go ahead and highlight that. So that text is highlighted. Now, let's go ahead and write a new sentence. And let's go ahead and bold the next word. And we will italicize the next one. And underline the next one. And the final one, we're just going to go with bold, italicize, underline, and highlight. And then, since this file already has been saved, whenever you hit this save button, it's just going to save it under the same name so that you don't have to worry about remembering what you originally saved it as or creating extra files. So go ahead and hit OK, and there's that share button again. But we'll want to go ahead back to our file screen. hit back again. And then this time we're going to go over into the recording screen. So what this will do first is ask you to enter a file name, and that'll just be whatever you want the audio file's name to be. So we're just going to call it audio demo and hit save. And so what'll happen is you hit the record button and it will record everything it said. So I'm going to go ahead and mute my microphone so that whenever I play the audio back, you don't hear an echo. So now you can see after I stopped recording, it saved the file. Now that we've done that, let's go back into our Files app over here, and this time we're going to click on that Audio Files tab. So, within this Audio Files tab, we've got this audio demo file that we just made. Let's go ahead and click on that. And what we'll do is go ahead and hit this play button, and that should play the audio back. Hey there everyone, my voice should be recorded now, and I'll show you a couple of neat things the app can do with that. So, there you have it. The audio that I recorded played back, and so that was one of the neat things the app could do with it. The other one is this transcribe audio feature. So, we have this begin button. Let's go ahead and hit it. And as you can see, it's now transcribing the audio file into text, which is really neat because let's say that you don't have an internet connection, so you can't use the live transcription. You can go ahead and record the audio, or if you have an old recording that you wanted transcribed, you can go ahead and record it like that. And then it'll transcribe it whenever you bring it into this. So let's go ahead and save that file, and we will call this transcribed audio, and save. So the file was saved. Let's go back. Now let's go over to this text files tab, and so you can see that transcribed audio is there. It has everything in it. And there's also this great search bar up here, so that whenever you get to where you have several files and you don't want to have to scroll through and find each one, you can actually go ahead and just search for it. So let's search for the transcribed audio. And as you can see, it searches for it. And you can search for anything contained in the name. It doesn't have to directly be the name in case you can't remember the full file name. So let's go back out to this home screen. So we've gone over the live transcription, we've seen the text editor, the subscription files, and recording. So now we're going to go ahead and log out and go back to the main menu. So we can go ahead and log in here, and you can log in with a different account so that you can get other people's files, or the other person needs, or you have another person that needs to use your Notai Scribe app to pull up some files. They can go ahead and log in. So let's log into this other account here. And let's go to that Files app. So, as you can see, there's two files here that weren't ours from our other account that we had made. And that's because they downloaded from the cloud storage, and they separate based on account so that no one will have access to your files, even if they use your device. So now that we've seen that, we can go ahead and log back out. And then let's log back in, and we'll just log back into that demo at demo.com. But oh no, silly me, I've forgotten the password. So I can click that forgot password link and type in my email address and hit reset password. Of course, demo@demo.com is not a real email address, so I can't show you that password reset email, but it does send it. So that is the gist of Notai Scribe. I hope that all of you will in the future use Notai Scribe. Have a great rest of your day.